What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I got something super quick, just some customization options that you can do in FL Studio. I'm going to show you how you can change the background of FL Studio. So if we remove the playlist here, you can see that the background here, I already have something, but you can change it to whatever you want. It's actually very simple. All you got to do is go to View and then go to Background. You can set an image wallpaper, set a dynamic wallpaper, or set the background color. So if we go to set image wallpaper, it'll go to the default FL Studio wallpapers folder. And there's a bunch of already dope wallpapers in here that you can choose from, or you can add your own wallpapers into this folder, or just go to wherever your other pictures or wallpapers are and set that one. So say we want this splash one right here. If we just click it and hit open, it will change it to that. You can customize it to your liking and get it to how you see fit. That's pretty much it for this video. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.